hill are right down there. But I got a feeling this being a bigger buck, he's gonna try to cross up here on this hill or right down there. So what we need to do is two of us need to walk back there, closer to the pool, and two walk this.
Walk down there a little bit, no talking. Are they going up or are they going down? I think they're going towards Liam. Your daddy's got his gun up. Carson, where are you looking?
You just stand on the ground right here where you can see all the way down them roads.
Wait,
You see something?
might have been a dog. I think I seen something.
I'm right here.
Jason, they're coming down the street.
Walk right here. Yeah. Alright, now, y'all be watching behind the smokehouse. They're on the smokehouse side of this clearing right here that I'm on. Somebody's bit the same spot that's coming up the stream now. It's like on the new road.
Somebody getting closer.
I'll stay right there. Keep right there and keep watching.
Get down, get in the truck.
Boys, I'll be watching.
Boys, be watching. Don't watch your daddy.
They just shut off. They were going across the block to the same spot now. There's the hope. Oh, he'll come back. He watching, he might make a circle from right back this road.
Just do. hunter safety course. Because you're not supposed to shoot in the woods.
It was that close. It was that.
I know, baby. I'm just saying they need to go.
Yeah, I'm shaking. I don't even want to shoot. He's watching right there on that. He's going straight back to the He's going back to the He's going back to the double fire base, bro. You hear me call?
No, it was like the first shot. I hit the first shot and it
Kason, what was it?
a doe. It was a small doe, but it was big.
See how thick that is?
Uh-huh.
There's blood?
Uh-huh. See,
Hey, that deer's head, I got blood right here. That might be a different deer.
I feel good.
He said, deer, pow pow.
Don't say deer. You ain't got to say nothing to shoot that song.
Oh, I said deer, you want to just stare at it.
So you searched for the deer all in there and you followed the blood all the way? And
All the
then,
way until it quit bleeding.
And then the dog?
The dog took it all the way across. Let me walk in right here. They put on a big track.
The second time he shot off to that, he shot off that way. To your left. And but the second time he turned to start running, I shot him right through there.
Must have shot a little low and just caught it in the leg or something. It kind of looked like it might have been lung blood.